Welcome to John Lewis Memory School. In this presentation, what we are going to say is memory clock for Thursday appointments. So let us consider we work from morning 7 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. Therefore, we will have 12 hours. So the basic logic here is convert every meaningless numbers into some meaningful picture and associate the picture of what you have to do every day with a particular picture for that hour. That's it. That's a secret. Okay, here for Thursday, I have created a memory clock based on relevance. So let us see very quickly what all the pictures we have created for every hour. So this is a Thursday clock, and for 1 o'clock, I have taken sun because there is only one sun in the world. Therefore, 1 o'clock represents sun. Then 2 o'clock, so you take a binocular, it has two lenses. Therefore, it represents hour 2. Then 3, I have taken a windmill because a windmill has three wings. And here I have taken three windmills and each has three wings. So this is the pictorial representation for hour 3. And then 4, a chair has four legs. Therefore, for 4 o'clock we can take the picture of a chair. Then 5 o'clock we can take a basketball board because basketball team has 5 players. Therefore, we have taken a basketball board with a ring for number 5 to represent the hour 5. Then for 6 o'clock we have taken a brain because our human brain has 6 senses. Therefore, for 6 o'clock the mental picture is brain. Then for 7, a rainbow has 7 colors. Therefore, I have taken a rainbow for the hour 7. Then 8, anemometer, that is a wind direction, the instrument which shows the wind direction called anemometer. So that has 8 direction: north, east, south, west, northwest, and what is this? Sorry, this is northeast, and this is southeast, southwest, and northwest. 8 directions. Therefore, for 8 to represent 8 o'clock, we can take the picture of anemometer. Then for 9 o'clock, I have taken 9 planets. Okay, there is a question mark now whether we have 9 planets or 8 planets. So let us stick to we have 9 planets. Therefore, the picture for our 9 is 9 planets. Then 10, I have taken the bowling pins. So the bottle shaped thing. So 10 bottle shaped things will be kept and we have to roll the ball and how many balls we are getting in one stroke we have to see. And in this bowling game, these bottle shaped things, no, they are called bowling pin. So there are 10 pins in bowling game. That is why I have taken the picture for our 10 is bowling pin. Then 11 o'clock, I have taken Apollo 11 rocket because this is the first rocket that took the human to the moon. That's why I have taken Apollo 11 for number 11. Then 12, I have taken a calendar because a calendar has got 12 months. So simple it is. So now we have got a clear picture for every hour for Thursday. Okay, now what are the things we want to do on that particular day in that particular hour? How we can go about it? Now we have a mental picture for each and every hour. Now what you need to do for that hour, what you have to do? You have to take a keyword of that, what you have to do, and see that as a picture and associate with that particular hour. So like this, we can have 12 different things to do for all the 12 hours. So let us see here. So 1 o'clock sun. So the thing you have to do is you have to drop a mail. So immediately you visualize as if you are dropping a mail, but where you are dropping or at what time you have to drop the mail at 1 o'clock. So what is a mental picture for 1 o'clock? Sun. Therefore, on the sun there is a mailbox. There you are dropping the mail. Just imagine that in your mind's eye. Make it fun filled, make it yummy, and make it very interesting to all our senses, or at least one of our senses. It should be very interesting to one of our senses what we visualize. So that's what we have already learnt. Make the information yummy. Okay, now at 2 o'clock, what is a picture for 2 o'clock? First of all, binocular. So immediately think of a binocular. Always set this binocular at a particular place. So hereafter Thursday 2 o'clock means that location, that binocular should come to your mind. Every time you don't change the place, you don't change the picture. Have a fixed location for each and every hour. Okay, based on your experience, where you have seen the binocular will pop up in your mind now. You stick to that location and that binocular. Now, what is the thing we have to do at 2 o'clock? So, you have to deliver a teddy bear. You have to deliver a teddy bear to a particular address. So, at what time? 2 o'clock. So, what is the picture for 2 o'clock? Binocular. Just imagine. So, I already told you to fix a binocular at a particular location. Now, you are there, and what is coming out? A delivery van along with a big teddy bear is coming out of the binocular. Just visualize that. So it is taking a minute for me to explain everything, but in a fraction of a second you can visualize everything once you understand the system. Okay, now at 3 o'clock, I hope you have visualized it. From the binocular, a delivery van along with a big teddy bear is coming out. Then what's the picture for 3 o'clock? Windmill. Because it has three wings, I also have put three windmills so that it represents number 3. Now, what is the thing you have to do at 3 o'clock? Oh, you have to spray insecticide in some fields. So you are spraying the insecticide in a field, but at what time? 3 o'clock. Therefore, you can imagine there are lots of windmills with three wings each are there in that field. So just imagine that. That represents number 3, that is 3 o'clock. You need to spray insecticide. Hope you have visualized it. Now let's move on to next one. So what is the picture for 4 o'clock? A chair has 4 legs. Therefore, a chair is a picture, mental picture for 4 o'clock. So what the thing you need to do? You have to inspect a oil drill or oil drilling. You have to go there and inspect everything there. So you can imagine that. So there is a chair kept on the drilling machine so that you can sit there and see everything and you can check everything. Just imagine that. So there is a chair on top of the oil drill and you are sitting there and you are checking everything from the chair. Okay, make a funny picture. Okay, next one. Hour 5. What is the picture for hour 5? It's a basketball board with a ring. Because a basketball team has 5 players. That's why we have taken a basketball board with a ring for the hour 5. So what's the thing you need to do? You need to buy a new mobile phone. So for buying a new mobile phone, no reminder is required. No, we will be so eager to buy and we are emotionally attached to it. But still, no, for the purpose of learning to apply the technique, we have taken it here. So what you are doing, instead of throwing a basketball, you are throwing lots of mobile phone into the basketball ring. Just imagine that as if you are doing it. See that in action. Bring emotions to it and make very interesting to all our senses. Okay, now let's move on to hour 6. So what is the picture for hour 6? Brain. Why? Because brain has 6 senses. Okay, what's the thing you need to do at 6 o'clock? Oh, you have to go to gym for exercise. Okay, just imagine you are dissecting. You are dissecting your brain or you are operating your brain. What do you find inside? Inside, lots of people are doing their exercises in the gym. Just imagine that people are in a gym exercising. Okay, now 7 o'clock, the picture is rainbow because it has 7 colors. So what you need to do is you have a ice cream party with your friends at 7 o'clock. So just imagine all the friends with whom you want to take ice cream and imagine you are all standing on top of the rainbow and eating ice cream. Make a funny picture again, make it yummy, make it extraordinary, make it outlandish, make it bizarre. No, this is what make everything yummy, very interesting to our senses. Okay, now 8 o'clock, the picture for 8 o'clock is anima meter which shows 8 directions. So what is the thing you have to do? Okay, before that, what I told you. So you for each and every mental picture, you create a mental place for that. So where you have seen the anima meter. Here after Thursday, 8 o'clock means that place, that location, that anima meter should come to your mind. Okay, only for the first week you need to do all these things. So next week Thursday, when you are using the same picture for the hour, so that comes to you automatically because you have already fixed it. Only in the first time when you are doing it, you have to fix all the pictures. Okay, what's the thing you need to do? Fireworks at 8 o'clock. So there's some fireworks in near the town hall or somewhere, and you have to go there and enjoy that. So just imagine from the anima meter what is going on. Fireworks are going on. Just imagine that. See it in your mind's eye. See it as a clear picture in your mind's eye. Just a fraction of a second. That's enough. That will stick in your mind. So seeing it as a picture and linking them together and making it fun filled, all these things stick very well in our mind. That will take the information to our long term memory. Okay, now 9 o'clock, planets. So you are traveling in planets, maybe you are jumping from one planet to other planet, you are enjoying there. Okay, what's the thing you need to do there? Okay, dishwashing. Okay, you have to wash your dish at 9 o'clock. Therefore, what you are doing, how you can imagine? So you are washing your dishes on the planets. So one planet to another planet, you are jumping and you are doing all the dishwashing there. Hope you have visualized it and it's fun to you and you are enjoying visualizing it. Okay, then 10 o'clock bowling. So you have to go for Indian dance. So maybe you can go to a bowling court for bowling. You can imagine a bowling court, and that particular day, all the bowling game is stopped. What is going on there? All Indian dancings are going on. At what time? 10 o'clock. So it is happening in the bowling court. Just imagine that. So for 10 o'clock, you can see a bowling court. So this is a standard picture for every Thursday 10 o'clock. And what you need to do that point of time, what you can do, you can associate the keyword of what you have to do with this bowling court. Hope you have seen it. Now 11 o'clock, Apollo 11. Okay, Apollo 11 rocket is carrying human from the earth to the moon. So that is what is Apollo 11. Okay, now what you have to do at 11 o'clock? You have to go for shopping. Okay, that particular day you want to go for shopping in the moon. Therefore, you are traveling in Apollo 11. Okay, you are landing on moon, and there are lots of what is there malls are there, and you are going there for shopping with your friends. Just imagine that you are landing on moon for shopping from Apollo 11. Okay, just visualize that in your mind's eye. Okay, now we have come to 12. So 12 is calendar. Fix a calendar at a particular place. Thursday, 12 noon. You should get only that picture. Now, what's the thing? You have to go for running practice. Okay, now what you can imagine from the calendar, two people are running out. Just imagine the people are running out of calendar. Hope you have seen it. Now we have roughly we have taken some example for all the 12 hours. Now let us recap whether we could recollect all the things what you have stored. So sun, what was there? Mailbox. So what, your true memory knows what you have to do with that. Then second one, binocular. And what came out? A delivery van with a teddy bear. Okay, third, windmill. So what was there? There was a field in which you have to spray insecticide. And then chair. Where was the chair? On top of the oil drill. So you have to inspect oil drill. Then basketball, the ring, what you threw into it. You threw lots of mobile phones into it. Okay, we have to buy a new mobile phone. And then 6 o'clock is brain. When you operate the brain, what you found inside? People were exercising in a gym. So you have to go to gym at 6 o'clock. And 7 rainbow. So you were eating ice cream with your friends. And then anima meter, what was going on? Fireworks were going on. And 9 o'clock is planet. You are jumping from one planet to other planet, doing what? Dishwashing in every planet. And then 10 o'clock, this is bowling. So bowling court. So what you had seen in the bowling court, Indian dance. Then 11 o'clock, Apollo 11. So Apollo 11 is taking you where? To mall for shopping. Where was the mall? It was in the moon. Okay. And then 12 o'clock, so calendar. And what was coming out from the calendar? Two people were running out of the calendar. Therefore, we have to go for running practice. Now you can cross check. Okay, what I have to do at 3 o'clock? What's the picture for 3 o'clock? So 3 o'clock picture is windmill. Okay, what was there in the windmill? Field. Okay, we have to spray insecticide. What I need to do at 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock is the planet. Okay, I was jumping from planet to planet doing dishwashing. Okay, what time I have to go for gym? Where was gym? Oh, when the brain was operated, there was people exercising in a gym. Okay, at 6 o'clock, brain is 6. Okay, when I have to go for ice cream party, I was having ice cream with my friends where? Oh, in the rainbow. So rainbow is 7 colors, therefore at 7 o'clock. So if you get the thing what to do, you can find out what time you have to do that. Suppose you get to know the mental picture for the hour and what you have to do at that hour, you will be able to recollect it. Hope you enjoyed it. So like this, I have created 7 memory clock for all 7 days. Therefore, each memory clock you have to use only for one particular day. So this memory clock you have to use only for Thursday. After using this Thursday, you have to use only next Thursday. Hope you enjoyed. You can check again and again what all the things you have memorized, or you can take your own things to do for Thursday and you can associate with these mental clock pictures. If you like it, please click the thumbs up button, share it with your friends. Without fail, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time with another interesting topic. Bye bye.